giving up now?
Why you giving up? Why you giving up? I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck. And I'm tired of living and I'm fucked up. All my life I'm hurt and it's still fucked up. I pray to God every night to pray for me. My heart been through so many things for me. I'm like, oh my God, it's the bitch for me. I've been thinking so much I can't think for free. Man, I'm thinking all about this shit happen to me. And you know I'm gonna be capping all day. And you know I can't stand and I pray all day. And I gotta go home, I can't stay away. Hey, I'm just tryna get paid. I don't care about no fucking day. And you know I love my fucking babe. Hey.
Why you giving up? Why you giving up? Why you giving up? Why you giving up now? I don't understand, I don't understand. Why you giving up now? Why you giving up now?
Man, I'm giving up too much things. I can't even get fucking things. I'll be in my room and I'm drinking that lane. And I be in some motherfucking pain. And I'm just tryna think about my life. And you know I don't even got no wife. And you know I'll be praying every day and night. Yeah, I'm crying every day and all night. I pray my dad I can see him tonight. And all my life have to fight for rights. Even though I got the pills to blanket alright. I can't even think. I need a fucking drink. And I gotta smoke my pain